Hi, welcome back to the Dean's Institute for another exciting and useful session of learning advanced Excel skills. Today we are going to learn data validation. We're going to learn data validation followed by steps to create a table in Excel and steps to set up a Vlookup in Excel. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what data validation is. It's a process to access information at a different location. What I mean to say by that is you enter information in one sheet, like in this example, product names are entered in the products page and later it can be accessed in the sales page, which is a completely different page altogether. So these product names I've entered in over here in C3 to C16. I've entered these product names. Now we are assuming that it is a trading center. It's an electrical shop where they have electrical products and they're selling. So on a certain date, the vendor is selling some products. So we want these product names to automatically appear over here as a drop down to choose from. So it's exciting, guys. Be with us till the end of the video so you can learn all these things in a jiffy. So far, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Please do like and leave your comments, and also let us know how you find this video and also what other videos you would like to learn. Thank you. So first of all, you need to enter data on a sheet. I've renamed this sheet as products and this as sales. So once you've entered the data anywhere inside the table, not over here or here, anywhere where you have the heading or the data, you press and hold Control and T. Now since I've already created the table, it is not showing. So in this case, I'll go here, I'll say convert to range. So it gives me an alert. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes. So now it is possible for me to create a table. So I press and hold Control key and the letter T. So Excel automatically identifies the range, the table, and it is suggesting, is your data starting from A1 to F16? In our case, A1, we have the description of what this list is. So our data is starting from A2, the heading, and the actual data is starting from A3. So I just go here, click here, press backspace and enter A2 and I click OK. So as soon as I do that, Excel will put filters in front of the columns. So you can leave it as it is, or you can go to the data tab and remove the filter. Okay, so that's the first part. Now the second thing you need to do is come to the sales sheet or whichever sheet you want the data to appear for, and select the cell where you want this data to appear. So in this case, I want the product names over here because this is my product name column. So I click over here at D2 and I go to, normally we will be in the home tab. You need to select the data tab. So go to data validation and choose the first option, which is the data validation. When you click that, you get a drop down. You get a dialog box of weight data validation, and it has this option criteria, what you want to allow. So in this, choose the fourth option, which is the list. It depends on which version of Excel you're using, but nonetheless you need to choose the option list in that. And in the source, you start with an equal sign and then come to the products page and select the first cell, press and hold shift and control simultaneously and press the down arrow key. So it will select the entire range. It is C3 to C16. Here in between you have the dollar sign. That is just to make it an absolute reference. Okay, that's it. And we click OK. So now you can see that we have the names of all the products listed here. You can choose any product you are trying to sell now, and then you can enter the quantity. Hang on a minute, we have the price over here. All right, the price per unit. How good would that be if this price automatically appears over here? Wouldn't that be good? I'm sure it would. So it'll avoid you the hassle and to go back into this sheet, look for the price and manually enter it. Let Excel do it for us. Okay. So how do we do that? So this is where Vlookup comes into the picture. Okay, let's see what a Vlookup is. So I've written a couple of points on that. Let's look at that. Okay. Vlookup is a formula which fetches data from a particular column when the criteria is matched. So in this case, the criteria is the product name and what we are looking for is the price. So this is our Vlookup value and this is the it has to match. It has to match O ceiling fan, which is here, and it will pull us this information 1900 and it should stick it here. So let's see how we go about doing it. Prior to that, let's look at the formula. The formula consists of 4 pieces of information. What to look for, that is the Vlookup value. So let me keep it parallel so you can see this. I will minimize, this I will reduce. Okay, so you can follow. Okay, let me stick it here. So is equal to Vlookup and open bracket. So what's the Vlookup value? I want Excel to look for this value. Then where to look for, you have to give the table range. So our table range is this. Make sure you start from here, not here, because the product name starts from here. So make sure you start from here and you include the last column where the price is. Similarly, press and hold shift and control down arrow key and comma, and then which column it is in. So which column data to be copied, we have to mention the column number. So we start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 and comma. And then we have to mention 0. By default it is 0, but we can explicitly mention it as well. So can you see? Now if I go and change this, see table fan, it has automatically changed the price. So let's see table fan. Table fan is 2200. Let's try 12 watt LED light, which is 220. Let's see if the formula is working. 12 volt LED light, there you are. And here you can just put a formula, this into this, and there you go. So here you mention transaction ID, you can mention anything, S001, transaction date, you can say today we're on 16th June 2020. Okay, there you go. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you've learned a lot from this video. So let's do a quick recap. Data validation we learned. We also learned how to create a table, and finally we learned how to use Vlookup to bring related values based on a criteria. Thank you so much. Please leave your valuable comments. Also let us know what other videos you would like to learn, so we can make those videos for you. Have a great day. See you till next time. Bye for now.